If you're looking for a high energy protein bowl, you got to check these bacon cheeseburger bean bowls at the pit. And they're easy to do, all right. This recipe starts by grilling up some bacon cheeseburgers. And you know all about that. You've been watching us over the years, right? Use some good quality ground beef. We're using ground chuck. That's a must, all right? Simple. Flip them. And now we're going to take some bacon. Now, this is pound bacon. Some call it streaky bacon, but nah, this is real bacon. You cook it up on the grill right out of the pound package. Brings a ton of flavor. Smoked pound bacon. It's good. Now, on top of that, we're going to add some cheddar cheese. We use the shredded. Don't complain if you're a cheesehead. It works, all right? It'll melt fairly quickly. Pile it on there and let it melt. Put the cover on and let it come together. And in the miracle of time, woo, these bacon cheeseburgers are about done. We're going to move them to a side just a bit. Oh, man. Can you smell that? It smells good. And if you can't, you're missing something out of your life. All right. Now, the beans. We're going to start by adding a little cooking oil in there. And we've got some chopped onions, right? We're going to saute them just a little bit to bring out the flavor. You don't have to use this. It's up to you. Now goes in the beans. Ordinary canned beans. We're using the baked bean style, right? Throw them in there. The hard work has been done by pre-cooking them and getting them out of the can. And then we're going to put it all together. In goes the bacon cheeseburgers. Ooh, look at that. Now, to bring it together, we're going to chop it up. Get all of that smoky flavor in there, that protein of the beef, the beans. Lord have mercy. And in the miracle of time, you've got yourself the bacon cheeseburger bean bowl. High energy, low cost, and all you have to do is plate some up. This is the part where the pitmaster eats in front of you, and I'm not apologizing. Whew. Now, you can kick it up a little bit more, add a little bit of more cheese, whatever. Or how about some, look the other way if you're not one of them chup people, but I got to have a little bit of the chup. So grab some chup, put it on. Gotta have a squirt of chup, right? And just look the other way. Whoo-wee. So the next time you're looking for a bacon cheeseburger bean bowl for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.